Hello, I'm Sam. I'm 31 years old. I'm from Port Elizabeth. And I heard of Perfect Shades Cosmetic by Shiloh from my colleague. And I got excited, so I came. And then I was so excited when I found out she has a new range. And so I'm here. And I've always had a problem with my makeup. I come out either yellow or I come out orange, and it was never a perfect color. And then also it would lose color, like no cover for the whole day. I would have to like either redo my makeup or just wash it off. So yeah, and so I'm so excited for my transformation. So yeah, stay tuned for my reveal later.
Okay, so my beautiful loves, this is Sam Diva, one of my clients from prior to lockdown, has been following me for a few months, has placed some orders via our online store during lockdown, and here she is today. She volunteered to be one of our models, and I'm so glad because I was looking desperately for models that have bags or puffy eyes, and she has a little bit. I think she's had a bit of a rough week, so I'm going to test out the Real Eye Cream on her. So before doing anything, I'm just going to cleanse around her eyes with a facial wipe. You can keep your eyes closed for me. And I'm going to leave on the Real Eye Cream for exactly 3 minutes. Basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do on one eye so you ladies can actually see the difference. So that's the Real Eye Serum, Instant Bags and Wrinkle Serum. It's available online tonight at www.perfectshade.co.za. So I'm just going to dab that on here, and the same amount for underneath her eyes. Open your eyes, look up for me. Three minutes started now. So while that's taking effect, I'm just going to moisturize and cleanse the right side of her face and prepare it with primer so that we're not wasting any time. So I'm going to cleanse with our repairing cream all over the face. I'm actually going for a very natural look for Sam today. That's the type of personality she is. She does not like overkill. Not too much of makeup, so less definitely is more for her. As you can see, ladies, the puffiness as well as the circles underneath her eyes are completely diminishing. You can see a significant reduction in the puffiness underneath as well as on the top. And I'm sure Sam can tell you that she can feel the tightening on her skin already. Can you feel the tightening? All right, so definitely taking effect. We are 2 minutes to go. So in the interim, I will just apply the Photoshop primer on the rest of her face. Completely gone, the puffiness, still 30 seconds to go, but you can see significant reduction in puffiness underneath here. And once I put on the eye makeup, you will be able to see what it's actually done above her lid as well. Or during the makeover itself, while I'm still doing her makeup, you would probably see the full effect of it on the left eye. So that's the Photoshop primer. Just close your eye. So remember, ladies, today we have launched our skincare. So I am going to use the Photoshop, I'm using the Photoshop primer now, and then I am going to apply a little bit of the anti-freckle cream. So ladies, you remember we have launched our skincare today. I've just applied the Photoshop. And remember that the Shiloh Beauty range is a concealer consistency. So just to help with the ease of application, I am going to apply a very small amount of the Okay, ladies, it's been 3 minutes since I've applied the serum on her left eye, upper and lower lid. As you can see, it has significantly gone down in terms of the puffiness as opposed to this side. Underneath the eyes, you can see the difference. And if you close your eyes, you can also see that there's more puffiness on the upper lid on this side as opposed to that side. So if you need to know more about the Real Eye Cream that has launched today, please go to our site at www.perfectshade.co.za to give you more information about what I've used. So on to the next product that we have actually launched today. It is the freckle removal cream. I'm going to use a little bit of this just to help with the ease of application of my foundation and powder range, which is a concealer consistency. So very little, that amount up here, not around the mouth, simply because that's where a lot of movement happens and that's where it tends to blotch off mainly. So just here, turn your face. Sorry. Just going to rub that in. Right, next I'm going to apply our corrector. For her, it's going to be the coffee corrector, mainly on this area here. I'm not going to focus on above because I'm going to use eyeshadow. So caramel is her shade. I'm just going to apply it randomly, taking it down to her neck. So the freckle removal cream definitely helps with ease of application without having to spray your brush. So if you want to use it with your products, then during the day I would definitely recommend this together with the Photoshop primer. Remember, that's our SPF 50, and it also prevents you from using too much of product because it blurs out your marks and freckles. So you can use the Real Eye cream underneath your makeup and just go over it as normal with your foundation brush. And I'm actually going to use a smaller brush underneath her eyes just so that I'm able to get close to her lashes. So just to make sure that the right side is not looking puffy, I'm going to do a bit of corrective work here because we've only applied the Real Eye cream on the one side. So just going to go underneath and above her puffiness just to offset the puffiness as a corrective, as a form of illusion. Okay, next I'm going to use number 3 powder. Just dabbing number 3 powder all over. Keep your eyes closed for me. Just going to brush over with our highlighting and contour palette. Close your eyes. Next I'm going to do her brows with brow tattoo number 2 and our brow brush. Her shape has been done, so just minor defining. Next I'm going to clean around her brows with the foundation and the concealer brush. Okay, so I'm just applying a very light sweep of shading color from the Shiloh Beauty palette across her lid. So not too dark because she's got puffy eyes, so I don't want any shine that's going to accentuate that part of her eye. So I'm just going to darken it a little bit more. And then just doing a highlighter. Doing a very thin line of our stamp liner, and I'm putting on some lashes because she's had lash extensions done, but there's gaps and she's definitely needing a fill. So I'm just going to fill that out and mask that with our 5D lashes. Using the highlighter from the Shiloh Beauty palette, Peachy Beige for under the brows and inner corner here. Stay lower than the puffy area. Just going to do a very light contouring on her with our highlighter and contour palette. Just highlighting with this on here, and then I'm going to clean around her nose with foundation and caramel foundation that I've prepped her face with. Okay, just waiting for her lashes to dry, and I'm going to cut her cheeks. Okay, still waiting for her lashes to dry, so I'm going to just finish off with her lips and then finish off with the eyes as well with the lashes. So I'm just going to apply a moist lipstick as a base. And then she's going to be the first client to actually try out my lip plumping gloss because she's very natural. She doesn't do much color on her lips. So just going to give her a natural pink, and then the peachy lip gloss is just going to offset the pink in her lips and give her a natural skin tone glossy finish. Rub your lips together. Okay, put your head down for me. I'm going to put on your lashes. Next, I'm applying my lip plumping gloss in number 22. Just to see the feedback on our glosses and if there is a demand for it. Rub your lips together. Okay, my beautiful loves, this is what Sam looks like for her after look. If you would like to know more about what I've used on her look, please WhatsApp us on 079-272-4713. Ladies, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to see more of my amazing tutorials. Until next time, bye.
I love it. This is me really. Oh, I can't wait. And my eyebrows are so perfect. I can never get them right. I love my lips. They're so stunning, really.
I know how to read you well.
I can see. This is my corporate look, guys. So yes, watch this space. Don't miss out. You need to get some Shiloh foundation, some Shiloh eyelashes. I'm so sorry now for my spiders.
No problem about the spiders, but more importantly, what do you think about our new eye serum for the bag removal?
Okay, can I tell you guys? As soon as she was busy on this side, I teared up, but then this magic over here happened, and then like no tears. It's like magic. So
I couldn't figure that out. It just kept tearing on the right side, but nothing on the left side.
So I'm devs buying the eye cream. That's on my list, my budget. But I'm loving this. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay guys, so my experience here was amazing. The makeup itself, you don't feel it, it's lightweight. I hate where I feel like I'm wearing a ton of bricks on my face, and this is totally not. It might look like much on my face, but I promise you it's not much. And then just being here, the service is so great. They're friendly, they're warm, they take your best interests at heart, they cover those blotches, they cover the problems. I mean, you won't even know the problems you have until they come and they let you know what your problems are. My puffy eyes, I thought I could never get rid of it. As you can see, it's gone, it's magic, disappeared, and I'm loving this. So you guys definitely need to come to Perfect Shades Cosmetic, PSC in Newton Park, and come buy your things because you're gonna love it. Thank you guys.